All right, so today we are going to be analyzing this Ethereum movement and what the next movement is going to be. I mean, what the next price hit is going to be. Remember, I have traded on this one just few hours ago. So I decided to make a video on this, and I want you guys to join me so that we can be able to know when the um, when the price is going to be up again, or if the price is going to be down, right? So join me, let's do this now, this analysis now. This is free, and please share this video to others so that they can be able to learn. And also click the notification button so that you can be able to be notified, and as well drop your comment concerning this. Let us know, I mean the traders, and if you are interested in trading as well, you can join us. It is free, and you can join us, and let's go there so that we can be able to know how to do this. All right, so you can see right here, you can see the price, and this is 15 minutes hour, this is 15 minutes time frame, this is 1 hour time frame, and this is 4 hours time frame. So now today I'm going to be explaining what this minute time frame is all about. I'm going to be explaining what this time frame is all about. In all time frame, all the time frames are, I'm going to be explaining all this time frame. In all this time frame, you can see this this time frame here. This is what is seconds, this is 1 minute, this is 2 minutes, 3 minutes, this is 5 minutes, and I'm going to be explaining it step by step how you can be able to notify. This time minute and time frame is the places that you can be able to use and know how this market movement is going. That is where you can be able to be notified and be able to gather your analysis very well, and pay very much attention on this, because without this time frame you cannot do anything on trading. Yes, you cannot do anything on trading, and this is the possible way for you to determine the time minute. All right, even if you are trading cryptocurrency or you are doing forex trading in any platform, they must have a time minute. All right, so basically now this time minute here, you can see it ranges from 1 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 2 hours, 8 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours, 1 week, and 1 month. So now, if you are a new starter, if you are a new beginner, you are trading newly, so I advise you to start with is between 3 minutes and 5 minutes. If you are just starting a trading newly, for you to be able to analyze this, you have to start from 3 minutes to 5 minutes. All right, from 3 minutes to 5 minutes. This will help you gather the market movement. You can see it here now. You can see 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes. This is what the market has been going, what has been going on the market. This green candle stand for buying, and this red candle stand for selling. It means that whenever this candle, that is this green candle here, it means that people are buying it, and the market, you can see how the market is going up. And whenever the market, people are selling their coins, or they are selling, getting back their money, it means that the market is going to be dropping and is going to show red. Definitely red symbolize danger, right? So it means that the market is going down, and people are making money while the market is going down. Some people are losing money while the market is going up. All right, so now let's talk about the time frame. This time frame, how help you analyze this. Let's use this to draw the line, to draw this line here. If you look at this place now, this particular place to this place, you will see that the market is going up, right? The market is going up from this point. this first point here, you will see that the market is going up. All right. So this gives you the idea that, okay, from how many minutes is here, how many 5 minutes is here. So if you count from these candles, all these candles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, just count it to the end here. You calculate it. After counting it, you multiply it by that, you multiply it by these 5 minutes. After counting these candles, you multiply the numbers of these candles by the minute, by the time frame. That will give you the actual hours, which if you are counting from this, like, okay, let's do the counting together. Count with me. Let's do the counting together. All right, so let's start from this first red candle, the red candle which go up. Let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35. That's the 35 ohm is the one on the track now. So now let's minus the 35 candle, and let's multiply the 34 candles by 5. If you multiply 34 by 5, if you multiply 34 by 5, that will give you 170 minutes. Okay, now inside this 170 minutes, now let's know how many hours inside that 170 minutes, which we see. Okay, now let's know how many divided by 60 minutes. That is that, I mean, let's know how many hours inside that 170 minutes. So now after doing that, you press it on the calculator. You are going to press 170 divided by 60, which is 60 minutes make 1 hour, right? So divided by 60 is going to give you 2.88, which means 2 hours and 2 hours and 40 minutes, right? 2 hours and 40 minutes. That is almost 3 hours. The market has been going, pumping. People have been investing money in the market between this this period, this hours. People have been investing their money on the market. Now, our attention on this is it okay for us now that we see that let's assume that we are just meeting the market now. We are just meeting it, and we want to know when the market, if actually the market will favor us, if you just enter it just now we see it, that the market is booming. Would it favor us or not? That is why I opened this. That is the reason why I said, if you look the title of this, I said Ethereum is increasing now. What could be the next move? All right, so that is what we are going to be focusing on, and that is why I mentioned the time frame which we are going to be using. Now we have seen that in 5 minutes time the market is going up. Now let's check in 15 minutes time if it's going to it is going to be the same. So this is 15 minutes time, right? So now you can see this let me show you something. This line here, sorry, let me draw this line very well. Okay, you can see this line. You can see this line. You can see this line. Let me make it, change the color to be red. All right, so you can see this very line, this tiny line you are seeing is a signal line, and you can still see it below here. That's a signal line. You can still see it below here as well. You can still see it below here as well. That's a signal line. This line and this line is showing you what now the line of 15 minutes time frame has reached to this extent. Let me remove this. Okay. So if you look the line now, the shape of it, you can see is vertical, is straightforward vertical, all right, with the current market movement now is vertical. So for you now to invest in this particular coin now will be out of risk. Do you know the reason it is going to be out of risk is that number one, this market has been going pumping for like 2 hours getting to 3 hours now. So the earlier stakers, which the people that stake earlier, are now getting ready to take off from the market, which means once the earlier stakers, which boom the market to go up, which boost the market to go up, eventually take their money from the market, definitely this market is going to collapse. All right, so now you that is entering at this position now, if you enter in this position hoping that the market is going to go up again, then once these people take their money, just like me, hours ago, you can see this place when I took my own, because the market was trying to come down, I took off. Then I still trade again on future, because this is spot. I still trade again on future. All right, so I still trade again, which I sold. I trade short time. I buy, I enter market from this place and I sold, and I take off from this part, which is I predicted it that the market is going to come down. All right, the market is going to come down. Then I open an order in when it was 4,400 dollars. When it was $4,400, then I stake that is going to come down to any level below. Then it eventually comes down to this level, which you see here. Then I now took off from the market because the market was about to go up again. All right, so I decided to use this because I know a lot of people are facing this challenge, and me, I have been a witness of it, and because of my experience, that's why I'm making this for you to know. So now let's go back to the point. No, we are using spot site to analyze this. So now this place, you can see this thing now. You can see the way it is. So if you look very well now, another red candle has been formed here, and that red candle is trying to form. Now people are panicking. Traders, experienced traders now, are not going to stake their money in this particular position because the market is about to go down. So what you have to do before you stake any money as an investor, a crypto trader and investor as well, so before you buy any asset or gadget in this crypto, make sure that you use the time frame to analyze this. And please, I want to use this opportunity to welcome every one of you in this that is seeing me anywhere you are. If you are not yet my subscriber, this is AB Review channel. What I do is crypto trading and other forex trading as well, and I do drop analysis and update or based on how you can trade and get it successful without making a mistake. Or though you can make a mistake, but at least you have a way out. You have how to get experience on trading, right? So please share this as we are going on. Please share this video to others. Let them know so that they can be able to join us and benefit, because this is free teaching. Other people collect money for this, but this is free. All right, I just dedicated my time to show you guys, to appreciate you guys that are already my subscribers, and those that have not been that has not subscribed to me, please do me a favor and subscribe. As you are learning from me, just hit the subscription button over there, and also hit the subscription notification bell over there as well, so that you can be able to be notified whenever I want to drop a video like this. All right, so let's continue. Now you can see this market is about to go up again. Is about to go up again. So let's look at 1 hour. Let's look at 1 hour time frame. All right, so if you look at the 1 hour time frame now, it has been met. Look at this line which I am showing you. This line which, if you look at this line that is here, let me show you what I mean. This line, you see this line, it has gotten to this extreme and it's still going up, trying to meet up with this last candle. That is why the thing is stretching. It's stretching down and this one is stretching up. So the up one is trying to meet the up one is trying to meet the last candle. And again, I remember, please, if you are just joining this, if you are just joining, this is for educational purpose, and this is for crypto trading. And also you can use this analysis on your forex trading or that trading or gold or whatever trading asset that you are trading on. The analysis is the same. If you use this analysis on them, you will still get it correct. All right, so this is for the basically for time frame. There's a lot in this trading. There's a lot that you need to learn, which you cannot cover. We cannot cover it in this particular video, but in this particular time frame, I want to explain it better for you to understand. All right, this video might be quite long, but if you listen and listen, you are going to learn. At least you know, get to understand what the time frame is all about in trading. All right, what the time frame is all about in trading, because it is the first key point you need to know before starting any trading. It is among the first key points you need to know. All right, so if you look at this place now, you can see that the thing is straightforward, still going up. All right, so if you want to invest in this particular position, if you want to invest to this particular position, you can see that there is a resistance, or what they call market resistance, at this top. Do you understand? Market resistance at this top, showing you that the market has people are withdrawing their money. When you hear market resistance, means that a lot of people are withdrawing their money. And if you see the notification that I just got now, you will see that once people are withdrawing their money, they are taking it elsewhere. Is it that they are taking it to Bitcoin or they are taking it to another coin? Do you understand? That's the life of traders. Okay, so if you look at this place now, this is Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is still in the same mood. All right, it's still in the same mood. All the time frame for this, okay, Bitcoin time frame has not been met yet, so Bitcoin is going to be continue going up. As of now, Bitcoin might hit before the end of Nigeria, particularly right now in Nigeria. So before Bitcoin, before the end of today, before 12 p.m., 12 a.m., or let me just, before 11 p.m., or within 11 p.m. from now, Bitcoin will hit $121,633, or even go higher than this, right? But it's going to hit this. So that is for the Bitcoin own. You can take note of it. And let's go back to the Ethereum. If it's going to be the same, no, Ethereum might have go up again, but not more than this, right? So Ethereum is about to go down. Ethereum is about to go down. Not that it's going to go down to long, like it's going to go to $3,000 or 3,600 or something like that. No, it is going to come down. Let's check of that. If you look the analysis, you can see this one is showing us that the Ethereum in the next, that is, Ethereum is going to be down after this pumping. Ethereum will be down to $4,263, right? That is USDT, 4,263 USDT. That is how you can be able to know. And always, don't be a greedy trader. All right, don't be a greedy trader. Traders are always concentrated in what they know. So if you want me to coach you, there are a lot of things you need to learn about trading for you to become successful. There's a lot of things you need to learn. And if you want to become my student, you can see the join membership there on your button. You can join the membership, and there will be after this, I'm going to be dropping a link for you to get the full tutorial video on how you can start everything, and from there you will become my student, my full student. All right, so there is also a free package for that. There is a free group, WhatsApp group that I always drop signal, and also Telegram group that I always drop signal. So all this will benefit you. They are free. The WhatsApp, once you get access to the WhatsApp group, they are free. Everything I drop there is free of charge. All right, I will not charge you for anything, and I will answer you or your question, or give you signal whenever is possible. All right, I will answer you and give you signal whenever it is possible. That is your benefit. If you are a trader, my advice to you is that it might not be me, or you make sure that you have somebody coaching you on your trading, because unless you want to be risking your money all the time. Yes, because this is about life, and is about business. Trading is a business, not just a game. It's not a game, it's a business. All right, check the history of the richest people in the world, the billionaire, the wealthy people in the world, especially the white ones. All right, a lot of them invest, especially USA. As of today, USA as of today is investing 5%, 5 to 15% of their wealth share is going to crypto investment. Do you understand? So you should take this serious. 5 to 10% of their wealth share is going to crypto. A lot of them. I'm not talking about the private assets. I'm talking about the government aspect of it. All right. So this is a business, and you must take it serious as a business, not a game, not a gambling. All right, because most of people, whenever they see trader, or they will say this one is a gambling. That is, you are a gambler or something like. No, trading is not a gambling. If you don't have experience in trading, if you make today, let me assume, if you don't have experience and good strategy in trading, you cannot make it in trading. So you need a strategy for you to be successful, to become a successful trader. Though it might take some time, but you need to be successful. And how can you get familiar with all this? You need a coach. You need someone you can talk to. You need somebody that have experience, that, oh, this thing like this, how this coin, maybe you just see coin like that, or new release coin, and you, before the coin was, or you get any message or update about the particular coin, and you want to know more about the coin, if the coin is going to, there are some people that you will meet, you will contact, they will tell you, okay, this coin, that as it is coming, this is what you have to do, this is what you have to do. If you have to go to this coin, don't go with this rate, and go with this rate, something like that. There are some you don't need to do all things on yourself or just try your luck. This is not about try your luck. I must tell you, if you make a mistake today, even as I am speaking to you now, right now, if I make mistake on my analysis, the market is going to fall me down. All right. So that is why. And when somebody can come out and tell you that he is a trader or something like that, he must have encountered some and might have been successful in that aspect of trading before he can come out and tell you. All right, check the list of the videos. Everything I do here is teaching. All right, so you can be free to contact me or there drop your comment. If you don't have my comment contact number or my contact, just drop your comment there. I'm going to reach out to you and see your concern. If you will need any question, drop it on the comment. So let's continue. So if you look, since we have been on this, you can see that this pool, this candle, this last candle has been there and it has not moved. If you go to 15 minutes as well, it's still there. So it's not going down, it's not coming down, it's not going up and it's not coming down. The reason why it is as still is that a lot of people now are panicking, like, they are guessing if I should buy, if I should put, if I should sell, if I should buy, if I should sell. Now you will see it. The market is going to come down from this particular point. This particular point that we are now, the market is going to come down and also is going to still go up again, because the reason why it will go up again is that whenever this is an expo and this is a secret strategy most people use, including me. So if you see as this candle, this candle, this green candle, this last candle, if you look at this last candle, it increases to this candle, it passed the green candle, the increase past this green candle. Whenever you see this kind of sign, when the green candle is above the red candle, and the red candle, that is the last candle, now managed to go up above the green candle. So what is going to happen there is that, let me take this place for example. Let me take this particular place, for example, like this. Let me use this place to explain this. In this, when this candle start, this green candle go like this and it now comes down, this candle now form and go above this green candle. Then after that, it now come down to this level and it still come down here before it start increasing to this level and start increasing. So because this is showing you